Hey everyone, I'm here at Habitat. See the equinox right there. It's a nice overcast day. It's 2:30 on Friday, October 6th, 2017. Oh. And check it out, there's a sweet Mercury Gray Marquis over there. It's like probably no newer than a 1987. And a fellow flag collector does have one. So, hashtag Malaise Motors. Malaise Motors, yes. Where's Mark Wilson when you need him? Yeah, that's a shout out to you, Mark Wilson. He's a good friend of mine, and another good friend of mine has that very, very similar Mercury Grand Marquis. He's a ceiling fan collector like me and Mark. So let's see if I picked up any. Let's have a look-see, shall we? What's this? What did it use? I think it was cut off or something. Good fan light though. What if they had that bulb I'm looking for? I'm sure I might find it here. Do they? Still trying to find it, but it's just. I know Mark said he had that kind of globe I needed, so that's all good in the hood. Socket covers. I have a ceiling fan down rods, but a little bit no cigar there too. Plasticky. Nice vintage shade. Only $4, but I don't know where I'd use it. I don't know how you mount that on a light, but LED dimmables. That's pretty awesome. Got some globes, baby. Sweet. That's a zephyr. And what is that? Let me read this pendant here. Anything. I get that just for the retractable shades on it. I did have a 3-arm light. I could put that on, and voila, I could do that. I don't know, I'd find some other use for that. That's just your typical Harbor Breeze fan, nothing to rave about. It's better than glass shade middle. But let's look at this zephyr. Yep, there's a zephyr. Let's see if all the blades are there. I only see 3 blades. Okay, where's the other one? I don't see the other blade. I think, wait, there it is. Hopefully that's the other blade over there. I'm gonna get it. That looks like an SMC of some sort, that motor right there. I was going to use it for my new fan project. But anyway, what's in that? It's a new light kit. That's sweet. Yeah, hopefully it is all there. If not, I'll just have to. Yep, see. It is all there. Sweet. And, wow, I am so going to get this. And this is probably like going to a Halsey or something. Let's see what it is. Speed. It's probably a newer fan. It's a Design House. See the Design House logo. It's got the light is integrated, but apparently they put something else, and they found some alternative for the light to be used. Because look at that, it's one of those newer fangled things with a vintage light kit. I have a whole plethora of those back. So let's have a look at this slumber. I need to rebuild my IntelliTouch Zephyr because the housing is it's a little bit off, but I can find part for it. Okay, it's LP1006. I'm reading that. Just like the one I already have too. Somewhere quiet. Doesn't have the logos embossed on the blades, but let's see if they're accurately balanced. So, right there. I don't have access to a device, so I'm going to try to fix it. But anyway, it'd be great to have so that project. I don't know, maybe a little bit. No, let's try it. Okay, wow. So definitely I will get this. Price on it. Came in Syncerator. See that? It's like, yeah, growing up at an Syncerator garbage disposal. Look now, he makes it Emerson. Wow. Hopefully, I was a fan to replace this one. Oh, we got some. They got some pretty cute wall sconces. I always thought wall sconces were cool to have, and I like this one that like point downward. I always thought they were cool. And so yeah. And besides, I already did donate one of my fans here, so I don't know what the rest of that SMC is, but that has to be like a Emperor, or I like to call it Turtle Fighter. More fan parts. Never seen a mounting plate like this before. So if you can tell me what that is, that'd be awesome.